Hey guys, back with my health and survival plan for you. Received a message from one of my YouTube followers, Susan. Susan told me with vacation recently, she lied out in the sun and forgot to put her sunblock on. And as a result, she developed severe sunburn and she wanted to know what she can do. So, most importantly, you always want to make sure that you apply sunblock. SPF of 30 or higher is what's recommended because the sun can cause tremendous damage to your skin. It can cause a sunburn, which we know, and usually that will improve and get better, but it also can increase your chance for cancer. Melanoma is one of the most deadliest cancers out, so make sure you apply sunblock. In this case, Susan, here's what I suggest you do. The first thing, you want to make sure that you apply cool compresses, ice, in the areas that's affected by the sunburn. The sunburn itself is going to cause an inflammatory process, so there's going to be a lot of pain, a lot of swelling, so you want to make sure you put ice in. That helps to kind of sort of prevent the swelling from occurring. You also want to make sure that you take something for pain. I like anti-inflammatory medications. If you have no reasons that prevent you from taking it, then you could take your common medications, ibuprofen, Motrin, Advil, Aleve, your choice. You want to apply like aloe vera. That helps again to soothe the skin and helps to increase the healing process. You can also try like 1% hydrocortisone cream. A steroid is always helpful in this case because again, the steroid helps to prevent the inflammation, which helps to prevent the pain. Now, if the sunburn is severe, you want to make sure you do come to the emergency department where I can prescribe oral steroids. You can take the pill form, which is not available over the counter, it have to be prescribed. But that pill form you can take for a few days. It helps to prevent the inflammatory process from within, therefore not reaching the skin area. So it's very important that you act fast because the sooner you start to treat, the better and the faster you will heal. And lastly, you want to also make sure to stay hydrated. You can lose a lot of moisture through your skin, through sweating, through the sunburn itself. You lose a lot of hydration. So you want to make sure you stay hydrated during this process because it also helps with the healing. And keep an eye out to make sure that the area that is burned, that it's not becoming infected. If you start to see your skin break apart and the redness seep in, you start to have pus or continuous deep irritation within the skin, that could be a sign of infection. So always err towards the side of caution. If need be, come to the emergency department.